Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to change the default browser on the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. So in order to do that, unlock your phone, go to your settings, scroll down until you find your apps section. Here it is. Click on it. Now find choose default app section, click on it as well. And here you see your list of default apps. So click on a browser app, and here we have a choice between different browsers which we have installed. Select a browser, for example this one, and simply go back. Now you have your default browser changed. To go back to your browser, simply press the same tab again and just choose another browser. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.